Alright, I'm going to show you a little bit about Packet Tracer. This is the first Packet Tracer. Learn to use Packet Tracer, and our objectives in this video are to develop an understanding of the basic functions of Packet Tracer, create a model or simple Ethernet network using two hosts and a hub, observe traffic behavior and data flow of ARP and ARP broadcasting pings. So let's just go down to the first step, which is to create the two end devices and the hub, which can be found down here on the left. I want two generic PCs and a hub, a generic hub to go between them. Now we need to put the connections between this fast Ethernet to port 0, and do the same for this fast Ethernet and port 1. Obviously they can't be in the same port. And for the second step, we want to name and give these IP addresses. Obviously you'd need to do this on a network so that you can tell the difference between the PCs. So let's call this one PC A, and we can call the other one, or well, I guess let's set up the IP address real quick. 192.168.1.1, which is a Class C IP address, and subnet mask, obviously, 255.255.255.0, and it's going to be almost the same for PC2 or PCB. Let's go ahead, go fast Ethernet, IP address 192.168.1, can you guess it, .2. And it could be I don't know, 30 if you wanted. It's just easier, I guess, to go in order, for me anyways, to remember what I'm doing. Now, we have those two named and given IP addresses. So let's go to the next step, which is observing an ARP broadcast. So let's broadcast from PC1 to PCA to PCB. Alright, let's go to the simulation, and we want to edit the filters so that ARP and ICMP are just showing. At first you'll probably have like all of these showing, so you can just go to show all and then click it again to show none, and then just click ARP and ICMP. Now let's make a simple PDU, and we want to make this PCA the source, and then we want to make PCB the destination. So let's see if this works. There it goes. Went to the hub, and now it should go to PCB. Alright, and that should run until it says no more events appears, and Cooper. Now I'm going to reset the simulation. Now the envelope is no longer present. There's this ugly one. And let's go, keep going here. Alright, now let's power cycle the devices. Down here you can see the button. Yes. We're going to reset the network. Now let's see, we'll view ARP tables on each PC. So let's click the auto capture and play button. Now they're sending both ways. Now let's go ahead and go into the command prompt. ARP, wants us to type ARP-A. Okay. For some reason we've lost some sort of connection here. Ah, envelopes are on fire. Okay, now let's go into command prompt and do the same. Oh, we gotta play this. Alright. That should pull up our ARP table. There we go. As you can see here, it came from this source, 192.168.1.1.2, I mean, and that's PCB, and the physical address is here, and the type of source is dynamic. And let's go ahead and check it for PCB. Command prompt ARP-A. And as you can see, it's sending from 192.168.1.1, and type is dynamic as well. And check. Check results. And we've completed the activity. So that was the first packet tracer video. And that's how you check the ARP and ICMP. And we did it in 8 minutes. Congratulations.